What is a file system?
A file system is the underlying method your computer uses to organize and store data. It defines how files and folders are structured, named, accessed, and managed on storage devices. Every time you save a document, install software, or open a photo, the file system ensures the data is stored and retrieved correctly.
How files and folders are organized.
Files are like digital documents, and folders group those files together. Most operating systems use a hierarchical structure, often visualized as a tree, with folders containing subfolders and files. This structure helps users efficiently find, sort, and manage their data by keeping related items organized together.
Common types of file systems.
Different operating systems use different file systems. For example, Windows often uses NTFS, macOS uses APFS, and many Linux systems use ext4. These file systems each have features tailored to the needs of their users, such as security options, support for large files, and efficient storage management.
How file systems manage space.
File systems break storage into small units called blocks. When you save a file, it's split into these blocks and placed where there's free space. The file system keeps track of which blocks belong to which files, as well as which blocks are empty and ready for new data. This ensures efficient use of storage space.
Why file systems matter.
File systems affect how your computer performs, how secure your data is, and how easily you can recover from errors or crashes. Choosing the right file system can mean faster access to files, better data integrity, and improved compatibility with software and devices. Understanding file systems helps you make informed choices and keeps your data safe.